Tina Peters guilty, former Mesa County clerk convicted on 7 charges. 12 Mesa County jurors found Tina Peters guilty of 4 felonies on Monday after a lengthy criminal trial, marking yet another conviction tied to post-2020 election conspiracy theories. Peters faced a total of 10 criminal charges related to her role in helping a man gain unauthorized access to voting equipment during a secure software update in May 2021. The county's voting machine's passwords and copies of its hard drive were later posted online by people trying to undermine the validity of the election system. The jury deliberated for around 4.5 hours Monday afternoon before reaching their decision, which was read out to a packed courtroom just after 5 p.m. How did we get here? The investigation into Peters' actions began almost exactly 3 years ago when images taken during a secure update, including of machine passwords, surfaced online. At the same time, a copy of Mesa County's hard drive was displayed and discussed at a cyber symposium hosted by Mike Lindell, the MyPillow CEO who has been at the center of false claims that the 2020 presidential election was stolen. Investigations by the 21st Judicial District in Mesa County as well as the Colorado Secretary of State's office found that Peters began meeting with people concerned about election integrity in April of 2021, prompted both by the outcome of the 2020 presidential election and the results of the spring 2021 Grand Junction municipal election. Peters has said the victory of a number of more moderate candidates made her believe something was amiss with the county's Dominion voting systems machines. Some of the facts in the case have never been disputed. Peters admits that in May 2021, she used the identity of a man named Gerald Wood to give a different man, Conan Hayes, a self-described data expert from California, access to county voting equipment, both to copy its hard drive and a few days later to attend a secure update of the machine software. Hayes is a retired surfer with ties to Lindell and his campaign of spreading falsehoods about the country's election system. What did the prosecution and the defense argue in the Tina Peters trial? The prosecution also spent substantial time trying to show that Peters knew she'd done something wrong, based on her reaction when the security breach started to come to light. 2 former staffers recalled Peters telling them, "I'm F.D." One added that Peters told her she was going to jail. Peters also allegedly told staff involved with the plan to get burner phones and not say anything. The defendant was a fox guarding the henhouse. It was her job to protect the election equipment and she turned on it and used her power for her own advantage, said prosecutor Janet Drake.